G'day, I'm Author-NZ. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Tonight I'm going to do two videos. One of them is going to be on my reloading equipment, bench, what I do, what I use. The other one's going to be on my favourite beer can out of my beer can collection. I've showed my beer can collection, so I'm just going to pick out, in a few videos I'll pick out my favourite cans. I'll use the same introduction for both videos tonight, the reloading and the beer can one, and yeah, I hope you enjoy them. The first one will be on the Duff beer from the Simpsons TV program, and the second one will be about my reloading. Right, so while I'm at it, I figured I might as well show you how I reload, how simple and then how complex things can be. This is my reloading bench that I started with. It was my kids' change table. You can see that there, that's what you change their nappies on, and you can actually still see that I've got some nappies in there, and they make really good rags for cleaning guns. So this is the change table. I modified it a bit. I put a back on it and made some shelves, and in my shelves here we've got some books, some reloading manuals. These are obviously the reloaders guides from the powder companies that make the powder. I've got Nick Harvey's book here and the Richard Lee reloading manual, 2nd edition. That's the powder that I use, ADI, which is an Australian powder. It's really important to get your books. Definitely use the data, and it is a really good idea to read through some of these manuals that give you the the basic instructions on where to start, how to do it, what to do. So this was pretty rough. I knocked this up in about half an hour while my kids were in the bath. So over here we've got a Lee Auto Prime and a couple of Lee Safety Primes. Down the bottom there's some inox, some cleaners, CRCs, some cotton buds, things like that, lubricants and sprays and that. Got a bottle of meths there, and up here I've got my dies that I use, 40 Smith, 45 ACP, 38 357 9mm, a few other bits and pieces there. Originally I started out with the Lee 50th anniversary, that's the Lee Challenger press, and it worked really well. With the 50th anniversary kit you get the powder measure, the safety scale, and a few other bits and pieces, a few little hand tools and things. Since then I've been given 3 of these Lee Pro 1000 presses. So I've got this one here set up for 45 ACP, and over there we've got 2 more, one set up for 38s and the back one set up for 9mm. Over here I've got a few compartmentalised boxes that I keep projectiles in. Those are all 38, 357. On the bottom of that one is 9mm, 45. I've got some brass down here as well. And right in here we've got some empty brass, a few tools for the presses, a few ammo cases there that are just holding brass and things like that, and right down the bottom I've got some rags, a few other bits and pieces. So that's basically what I started with, how I got going with a basic single stage press and a bit of gear, and it's kind of moved on to be a little bit more elaborate with 3 progressive presses now and quite a bit more gear. I also bought the Rockford Arsenal Quick Ease tumbler, which does a great job of cleaning brass, and that was the kit, which comes with the media separator as well. So there you have it. That's where I reload my ammo.